quickly buy this stock now. So it is in a bullish way. So let me just buy it in the market level itself. If it comes down a little. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 29th of April and the time is around 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So going to the pre-open market, and today the Nifty is opening at 14,979. So almost we are close to 15,000 now, and it's a gap up 0.77% gap up. So we need to see whether this uptrend will continue today or it's just a gap up, or how the market will be. So we'll be doing a live trading and you guys will come to know how the market will perform today. And advanced stocks of 48 declines is only one stock and unchanged is only one stock. So most of the stocks are opening in the gap up section, if you guys can see. So HCL Tech with 2.41% up, and JSW Steel with 1.41% up. So let me see the stock which is opening in the gap down section, that is DV Slab with only 0.02%. Okay, so yes, this is how the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, so stay tuned for that. And before that, if you are new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading and want to recover your losses from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profits from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also guys, there is a offer from Upstock. So if you open your Upstock account from the link given in the description below of this video, you will get a free trading account. You don't need to pay any money. For free you will get a Upstock trading account, and if you open today you get more offers. Okay, you get free 1 month trading with zero brokerage. There's been no brokerage charge from your side. There will be free trading for 1 month, and you will get zero brokerage. Okay, there is no brokerage charges on stocks, mutual fund, digital gold, IPO and NFO. Okay, so whatever you trade, whether in future and option or equity, stock, long term or short term or anything you trade, if you open your account today, for the next 1 month full, you don't have to pay any brokerage charges. So it's free account. You can click the link in the description below of this video and click on and make a free account and also trade for free. Okay, so once you open your Upstock account by using the link given in the description below of this video, you will be added to my Telegram channel where I share some of the stock market facts and news. So guys, right now I'm trading on UPL. So let me just quickly buy this stock now. So it is in a bullish way. So let me just buy it in the market level itself. If it comes down a little bit down, I'll be fine. But okay, I shall buy it. So now let's wait for the stock to go up. So we are holding buy position of UPL now. So I guess it's almost 1.5 rupees. It went down and now it's coming up. So yes. So bought around 614. So now it's at 615. So we'll aim for 0.5% target. There is a resistance, I believe, around 615. So that's the reason why it's touching 615 and coming back, and it's taking much time to break 615. So if we just closely see, so the previous day high was around 613.60. So it has already broken that and it is trading above that. So it should go above that. So yeah, it should go. So waiting for it. And yes, market has touched 15,000 here, if you guys can see. After many days, the market is being very bullish now. So it's a gap up opening today, if you guys can see here at 15,022. So market has touched 15,000 now. So let's see how a stock should also go up according to the market trend. So we have bought around 614. It made a high of 616. So let's see. So if you guys can see, now it's back to 616. Very volatile right now. So yes, my 0.5% target has hit. If you guys can see, 614 to 617, that is 3 rupees. So we can still see how it will perform, because it might go up also, or we can take a safer exit also. So guys, it has made a high of 617.50 now, and the market has actually come down. So we'll take the exit quickly. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, now it's now making a high of 618.50. After a long wait, the stock did come up now. And also, if you guys can see, the Nifty 50 is down now. Okay, it fell a lot in the morning. I said you that it was a gap up, and now yes, it was a gap up and it didn't continue the rally. It did come down and the market did fall down today. Okay, and I just took my exit around 618.50, and this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of UPL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we did with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today and want to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.